Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that is unedited, unfiltered, and uncensored. If you like that type of entertainment, then this is your channel. Click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, help me get past YouTube's coded opinions by clicking that like button for me. Well, what do we have today? We have Andrew Cuomo in typical Cuomo fashion, denying, lying, and trying to play the victim role. And I'm sorry, my dog all of a sudden decided that she wants to grab the ball and start playing, so I apologize for that. But Andrew Cuomo, in typical Cuomo fashion, trying to blame other people for his mistakes. That big COVID debacle that they had up there in New York, where he killed thousands. I think it was 15,000, and that's I wouldn't trust them numbers at all. I would say it's a whole lot higher. I would say it's around 30 to 50,000 people is how many Cuomo killed by being by being a neglectful piece of shit communist scumbag. And instead of worrying about what he should have been, instead of worrying about his job as a governor, he was too busy in the limelight. He was too busy soaking up all that limelight that he was getting. He was too busy gloating and bragging and boasting about that Emmy that he received during the first, 6, 7, 8 months of the pandemic, when he held press conferences every day and pretty much spewed nothing but fucking lies out of his mouth that, the other libtards believed. And now that he has been caught in this lie, and now that his own people are trying to have his career pretty much took away, pretty much done away with, now he did a press conference today trying to blame the healthcare workers. Cuomo is trying to blame the healthcare workers. Anyway, let's just see. We're over here at the Gateway Pundit. It says Cuomo denies nursing home cover-up, then blames healthcare workers for nursing home COVID deaths. In typical Cuomo fashion, playing the victim role and blaming somebody else for his fuck-ups. Let's watch.
We have 613 nursing homes in the state. 365 received a person from a hospital. Of the 365 that received a person from this March 25th guidance, which was then superseded in May, 98% of those 365 already had COVID in their facility.
Wow. I mean, oh God. These fucking people give me such a fucking headache. I mean, they make me sick. The way they just blatantly fucking lie to people. I mean, the left don't even try to hide it anymore. They used to try to hide their lies. They used to try to cover them up at least a little bit. Now they just come out and fucking tell you whatever the fuck that they want to fucking, that they feel like you want to hear. I mean, it just disgusts me. Andrew Cuomo is such a fucking radical left hack. Ugh.
Facility. COVID did not get into the nursing homes by people coming from hospitals.
Then how did it get in there, Cuomo? How did it get in there, Andrew Cuomo? Let us know.
COVID got into the nursing homes.
You sure it's not due to your careless fucking mistakes? You sure it's not due to your lack of leadership? What would it be?
By staff walking into the nursing home.
Oh.
When we didn't even know we had COVID.
It's the healthcare workers' fault. Oh, damn. I should have known. My bad. Let's continue.
Staff walking into a nursing home, even though they were asymptomatic, because the national experts all told us you could only spread COVID if you had symptoms. And they were wrong. COVID may have been brought into a nursing home because visitors brought it in.
Oh, wow.
And didn't know they were contagious because the guidance was you can only be contagious if you have symptoms, if you're sneezing, if you're coughing. That turned out to be wrong.
It's because Andrew Cuomo couldn't lead a line in a production plant. He is a piece of shit fucking scumbag lefty who fucks up, kills 30, 40, 50,000 people. They say 15,000, but I think it's much higher. And then don't even take blame for it. He literally throws the healthcare workers under the fucking bus and blames everybody else but his fucking self. Typical Cuomo fashion.
That's how COVID got into the nursing home.
That's how.
98% of the people who took a person back from a hospital who was probably...
That's how it got in there. It isn't because Cuomo sent infected people into the fucking nursing homes. No, no. That's how right there. So I'm just glad I could clear that up and he could clear that up for everybody. So, in other words, he don't, it's got not a motherfucking thing to do with him being a sorry piece of shit governor. It's everybody else. And on top of that, it's the healthcare workers. Wow, the audacity of that piece of shit fucking scumbag. Anyway, like I said, if you're new and you like unedited, unfiltered, uncensored truth, then click that subscribe button because I've got plenty more. Oh, I'm sorry about that, y'all. I got plenty more content coming. So click that subscribe button. I apologize for hitting the camera. Click that subscribe button. Click that like button. Stay tuned. Stay woke. God bless. And until next time, I'm out.